Welcome, culinary explorers, to another delicious journey. Today we venture into the heart of one of the world's most beloved fast food treasures, the Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's not just any fried chicken, it's a symphony of flavors, a dance of textures, and a testament to the beauty of simplicity. In the next 7 minutes, we'll unlock the secrets to recreating this iconic dish in the comfort of your own kitchen. Our journey begins with the chicken. Opt for a fresh whole chicken and cut it into 8 pieces. This process ensures each piece soaks up the marinade and cooks evenly. Next, we dive into the marinade, the soul of our fried chicken. Blend together buttermilk, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a hint of paprika. Submerge the chicken pieces in this concoction and let them rest. A minimum of 2 hours is recommended, but for a flavor that truly sings, overnight marination works wonders. As the chicken marinates, we turn our attention to the flour mix, the outer crust of our masterpiece. Combine plain flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices. The specifics of this blend may be guarded by KFC, but a mix of thyme, basil, oregano, celery salt, black pepper, dried mustard, paprika, garlic salt, ground ginger, white pepper, and a touch of savory could take you close to the original. Once the chicken is well rested in the marinade, it's time for a dip in this seasoned flour mix. Ensure each piece is thoroughly coated, for this layer promises that delightful crunch we associate with the perfect fried chicken. Now, we bring out the heavy artillery, the deep fryer. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slide in the chicken pieces, but avoid overcrowding. The pieces need room to swim and turn golden brown in the hot oil. Each piece requires about 12 to 15 minutes to reach that perfect blend of crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Once they're done, place them on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. And there, dear culinary explorers, you have it. Your very own KFC-style fried chicken. To recap, we started with fresh chicken pieces, marinated them in a buttermilk spice mix, coated them in a seasoned flour blend, and deep-fried them to perfection. The result is a dish that not only looks and tastes like the iconic KFC fried chicken, but also carries a touch of your own culinary flair. So, go ahead, take a bite. Hear that satisfying crunch. Taste the layers of flavors and relish the juicy chicken. Yes, you did that. You brought KFC to your kitchen. Until our next culinary adventure, keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious journey that is food.